Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're delving into the buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Exploring design, a sneak peek at what's new. Let's take a closer look at the Z Fold 6's design, revealed through leaked images from Ice Universe. Expect sharper edges and a revamped camera setup, hinting at a sleeker design with black camera rings. Unveiling specs, what to expect under the hood. While the design evolves, the specs remain impressive. Anticipate a 120Hz OLED 7.6-inch unfolded display, a 6.3-inch cover display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, 12GB RAM, and up to 1TB storage. The camera setup includes a 50MP primary camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto lens. Price and release details. What's coming soon? Get ready for a potential price increase with the Z Fold 6 starting at $1,899.99 and expected to launch around July 10th. Addressing rumors, managing expectations. Recent leaks suggest incremental upgrades, so keep your expectations realistic for major changes. Conclusion: stay updated with Future Phone Flash. Stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews from us.